What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Today we're going to continue working on the Ugly Betty project. We got to do a little work on the bedside over on the passenger side, and we're also going to separate that mold from the driver's side door that we started on last video. So stay tuned. Alright, boys and girls, so I wanted to give you a little look at the door that we started doing on last video. And as you guys can see here, everything is already set and nice and hard. So it's ready to be separated from the mold so that we could continue making the other side of the mold for the door. However, we're going to get started doing the stuff over on the bedside for Ugly Betty. So that way we could take care of all the body work that needs to be done prior to making the mold, because you don't want none of that stuff to show through on the mold as well. So let's get started. See you in a bit.
Not really sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, wake up. words that sound like something you'd be into. I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
All right, boys and girls, so as you guys are able to see, we went ahead and worked on the bed panel here for the passenger side, and we removed all the brackets, you know, the little flares, whatever it is, also the little bracket that goes around the fender well there, the wheel well, sorry. And yeah, so that looks pretty good. We do have to apply some body filler. However, things are a little tight and I don't have any more. I mean, I do have some, but not enough for what I need. This area here has quite the dent. That's why you see I overworked that area there. Also, I need to fill out some little spots. As you can see here, I have marked them already with the Sharpie. That way they're easy to see when it comes to, you know, getting back to it. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. We did quite a bit here. So let's continue on by separating the mold for the door. So, see you in a bit.
You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. Drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Well, guys, what do you say? So we got the mold for the door here, the outer part of the door separated already. I did give her a quick hose down so I could get most of the PVA out. Obviously we still have some. I just didn't want to spend an hour washing it and doing it on video for you guys. That would be incredibly boring. However, yeah, the mold came out great. We already have now the outer part of it. We're gonna continue on our next video by doing the other side of the door mold, and also we got to continue working on the bed as we were doing earlier. Like I said, we're gonna need some body filler for that. We're also gonna need to sand everything down real nice and even. Then we have to apply some lacquer, so that way we could seal it up and continue with the progress of making the mold for that bedside. The reason mainly is because I have a friend that needs that bedside. He needs a mold to do some carbon fiber bedsides, and I'm trying to kind of rush that project there, so that way I could head out over to him and give him a hand there. So I'll see you guys inside. I'm done for today. See you in a bit. All right, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all cleaned up, feeling great. As you guys were able to see, we went ahead and did some work on the bedside, as well as we separated the mold for the driver's side door. However, for the next video, we're going to be doing a little bit more work on that bedside. Obviously, it still needs some body work to be done, and also needs some body filler and stuff. And we're going to start doing, like I had mentioned, the inner part of the door mold. That way we have, both sides, and we could bond them together once we make the part itself. So I hope you guys are loving the videos. I know it's been kind of repetitive when it comes to the fiberglass stuff, but fiberglassing is something that a lot of you have wanted to tinker with, or are looking forward to saving some money and doing your own. And I hope this comes of great value to you guys. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today. I really appreciate all the views, all the love. God bless you all, and let the coal roll.